If you've been looking for a fully renovated 4-bed 2-bath family home in Berserker, you can't go past this one. This master suite boasts steel-pressed ceilings, French doors, as well as a fully renovated ensuite and walk-in robe. One of the greatest features of this home is it's already been raised above legal height using engineered steel stumps and beams ready for you to add your touch. I'd love to spend every afternoon sitting on this lovely deck looking out over the Berserker Ranges. If you'd like to own this home, reach out to any of us at the team at the agency for more information.